Next part are these fuel injectors, and firstly we remove these hoses, and here is really this fuel injector line, and now we take that whole part away. That I open these two bolts in this area, 12mm bolts first. Okay, and here is first bolt, and there second. Good. And there are those bolts, and after that I can pull out this fuel injector, this rail, and we have next bolts in here. Okay, and here is one 10mm bolt in that area. Now it's free. Now this fuel rail is moving. Good. And here is now situation that if I like to take this fuel rail away, I have to open now the cylinder head cover in here, in this area, that I can take this fuel rail away in here. Okay, I will do that next, that I open cylinder head cover next. And now I have really situation that when I am trying to remove this fuel rail, there is no any space, and that's I have to open this cylinder head cover, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10mm bolts, what I have to open next. And it happens so that I take my socket and I start in this upper screws in here, and these are long screws in here too, in that way. And then I take these small bolts in this side area over, and there these are smaller, and there is only nut in here, and in that area there is also nut. Good. And then I continue in this another side. Okay, and now I have opened the cylinder head cover, and now I can lift that a little bit up, and then I can take this fuel rail away in here, in that way. Now I can move this fuel rail like in that way away, and I can move that far away in this position in here. Good. And then I take these plastic holders in this area in away in here. Excellent.